wearing a dark gray suit, elegant, commanding, and timeless. The fabric drapes perfectly, tailored to highlight both form and poise, while the neatly knotted necktie adds a touch of refined determination. This ensemble is more than just a fashion. It's a statement. It reflects his transformation, a young man choosing to rise above fear and step boldly out of his comfort zone. Through his advocacy, fight for yourself, leave the comfort zone, let's grow together. He wears not just a suit, but the very message he lives by: to grow, to lead, and to inspire others to take that brave first step toward progress.
I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better. I like me better when I'm with you.
The quiet power of words, clad in black and white, ink and paper, which reflects the tools of a writer. As a journalist and a literary artist, he wears this is not just a fashion, but a statement that change can come through truth and storytelling. Inspired by Dr. Jose Rizal, this tuxedo embodies his advocacy, Tanda Tamo, using a language to awaken, remind, and empower, a revolution clothed in elegance.
I like me better. I like me better when I'm with you.
His purity and new beginnings, reflecting his confidence and commitment to creating a positive impact. Made from soft cotton and tailored to perfection, the tuxedo empowers him to shine with quiet strength. More than just fashion, it represents his aspiration to be a beacon of hope and positivity. With humble charm and purpose, he walks the stage where elegance meets meaningful reality.
My cards, oh, still good. Baby, I just fall. I could fall or I could fly. Here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die, hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks. So don't call me unless you need it.
Next is we have personality. Elegant, bold, and free-spirited. The pristine white color represents purity and simplicity, while the gold designs add a touch of sophistication and luxury. The flowing cape adds a sense of drama and confidence. But what truly sets this ensemble apart is a delicate butterfly headpiece, a symbol of his femininity and freedom from the chic shackles of toxic masculinity.
So don't call me
Next is we have Ginoo number 5 of Magalawa Island. Shell-inspired patterns reflect the island's vibrant shellcraft and fishing traditions, while a flowing cape mirrors its coastal breezes. The silhouette draws from the relaxed yet dignified style of locals, with coconut and century tree details highlighting lush island flora. Pearls and glittering beads symbolize the sea's treasures, making the ensemble of grace homage to Magalawa's culture, beauty, and ecotourism spirit. Designer Gianrocco Abara.
So don't call me
Ay, pagdating na.
Haribon. This luxurious beaded suit inspired from Hari-ibon, meaning bird queen. Hailing for its majestic design, a tribute to his journey as Ginoong Sibapa. Red symbolizes the color of bravery and fiery determination to crown, while the flowing gold tip represents its wings for grace, courage, and strength. Intricate designs of gold
Deep red bejeweled corset gown honors the blood and sweat of farmers, the lifeblood and backbone of Zambales. Its boning symbolizes agriculture's strength, while the flower-like cape reminds us that through life's challenges, we bloom. Worn with pride by a J. McQueen, this gown embodies the power, grace, and spirit of an empowered Sibapa. Designer, Sequin Grandeza. Craft with shimmering sequins that catch the light from every angle. This floor-length dress hugs the silhouette in all the right places, creating a sleek, elegant profile. The deep sapphire hue adds a touch of mystique, while the luminous finish ensures you'll shine like a star at any event, whether it's a red carpet, gala, or evening parade. This gown is pure show-stopping glamour. Designer, R&R Creations. It's a radiant tribute to Zambales' hidden treasures. Cloaked in golden hues, it symbolizes the beloved sweet mango, representing prosperity, warmth, and pride. The fabric shimmers like sunbeams over ripened fruit, evoking opulence and natural beauty. A flowing cape drapes across the shoulders, mirroring birds' wing in flight, symbolizing freedom, hope, and resilience. Intricate beadwork highlights the feminine form, celebrating strength, softness, and authenticity. Designed by Kim Quintana, this gown is wearable. Next, pinipili number 6. The Magsasaka Gown, a heartfelt tribute to the farmers of Zambales, celebrating their hard work and perseverance. Adorned with rhinestones and diamond-like embellishment, each detail symbolizes grains of rice harvested through tireless effort. Droplet-shaped accents flow down the gown, representing sweatshirt under the sun. Its fullness and structure reflect the strength and resilience of our farmers. Designed by Altarado, who honors his farming roots, this gown is shimmering symbol of labor, love, and legacy. Designed by Kim Altarado of Team Rocketera.
candidates on stage for the presentation of the next awards.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, to know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I said for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, I got no ceiling. If we let the day just pass us by, I get to too much talking. I might have to tell you something. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I said for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Instructor Sir Fritz Dubes. The casual wear presentation was actually held last April 21st, last Monday, during the preliminary competition. Our best in casual wear. Ginoong best in casual wear rather is no other than Ginoong best in casual wear. Ginoong Jaisa Vince Jenry Moreto. Moreto.
Wow, dami na points. Hakot award!
Grabe, alam, ginoong.
Chaisa.
Grabe.
And joining our Ginoong best in hedges is our
Best in headdress.
Dami ng points, be. Galing niya pa eh.
Our Binibini best in hedges is no other than she is a Binibini J. Ma Katarina Ignacio.
Ha? Wala pang Q&A.
Arellano de la Cruz. Ginoong Junior Financial Executive Julian Baluyong.
Wow, sama ka.
Galing din kasi. Yung may pa-double.
Siya yun. Siya yung nag-topless kanina, di ba?
Kasi ganito.
And joining our Pinoy Best in Summer Wear is our Binibini Best in Summer Wear.
Yung isa mo dito.
Our Binibini Best in Summer Wear, who is your Betsy Bapena? Our Binibini Best in Summer Wear is also from the Junior Financial Executives, Bea Lisa Estrada.
Maya si Maya.
Sabi sa'yo kanina eh. Paano?
Maganda siya.
Tsaka na-enhance din yung kulay niya sa ano, sa suot niya.
Eh, hindi siya mo. Sorry. Kakataway. Kakataway siya, hindi. At least sa title. Ha? May balik na title. Siya may ako na. Sabay-sabay sila. Mag-save sila.
We invite our judge, Mr. John Crisan Galano. And this year's Ginoong Sibaba 2025 Best in Corporate Attire. Ginoong
Baby, yeah.
you are right, is from the Junior Financial
Dr. Alan Grace Olepane and Sir John Ray Mercurio. Citizen, the award for Ginoo Pinipili Best and Closer Interview is our SIDAPA instructor, Dr. Alan Grace Olepane. For our Ginoo Best and Closed Door Interview is no other than Ginoong JMS, John Armando Buso. Closed door interview. Our Binibini Best in closed door interview is no other than Binibini Best in closed door interview, Binibini Edsel Espanyol of the Public Administration and all the students. Your judge is judge number 3. Now it's for you to find out who is judge number 3. Justin. Our judge number 3 will be determined by a bato-bato pit. Okay, so our judge number 3 is Sir Jack Amares.
Hi, good evening. Good evening po. Here's your question. Why do you want to be hailed as Ginoong Sibapa 2025?
Gusto kong manalo bilang Ginoong Sibapa 2025 dahil gusto kong maging inspirasyon sa mga taong takot lumabas sa kanilang comfort zone. Gusto kong maging inspirasyon bilang mabuting ehemplo, may papakita ko sa kanila bilang isang Ginoong Sibapa 2025 na kaya ko at gusto ko rin, sumali din ako hindi lang para sa corona, bagkus para may patupad ang aking advokasya habang nakasalang at pagtapos ng kompetisyong ito. Yun lamang po.
Hey Edge, and after you pick the fruit of his struggles, you may now go backstage. I'm just kidding. Your judge is judge number 2.
May ano na si Jamie, electric pa. Saan galing? Electric pa na siya. Saan galing?
Hello, good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening po.
Okay, here's my question. How can we encourage young voters to make informed choices during elections? Again, how can we encourage young voters to make informed choices during elections?
Sa aming advokasya, tanda ka mo, ipinapakita dito ang pagsasalin ng mga impormasyon sa wikang Pilipino. Sapagkat kung sino ang mga nasa laylayan ay sila ay madaling malinlang. Kaya simulan natin kung nasaan yung nasa baba, kung sino yung nakararami at kung sino talaga ang nangangailangan. At sa pamamagitan din ng pamamahayag bilang isang journalist ay gagamitin ko ang plataforma ng digital at traditional na pamamahayag upang sabihin sa kanila na ang dapat natin iboto ay ini-embody ang principles of good governance, transparency, accountability. Lamang po, maraming salamat.
Galing.
Hello, candidate number 2.
Hello po.
Here's my question. Do you think social media helps or harms self-esteem in today's generation, and why? Again, do you think social media helps or harms self-esteem in today's generation? Why?
Thank you for your beloved question, Ms. Janessa. I think social media can develop us new skills which can lead to better job, economic growth, and more stable society. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. You can now pick the number of your judge. judge is... It's new. Judge number 5.
Hi, good evening. Info number 1. This is my question. What makes you stand out from the other contestants? Again, what makes you stand out from the other contestants?
I think the one thing that makes me stand out from other of my contestants is my advocacy. Naniniwala ako na yung advocacy ko is very neat and very relevant and very timely talaga siya. Especially there's a lot of discrimination that is happening especially to my community. If ever na I got this title, I will use my platform in good use. And also, I will bring my silver lining in the table habang ginagawa ko na maayos yung trabaho ko. And also, I think that standard ako compared to them. Hindi ko naman sa ginajudge sila, but of course, but I think that my advocacy is one of a kind and that is something na kailangan talagang i-prioritize, especially in this, there's meron pa ring stigma na nangyari, especially sa community ko. And I really want to end that. I really want to make something new na hindi na dapat kami takot na ilabas yung sarili namin, express yung sarili namin sa ibang tao. Na para, actually, ang advocacy ko is not only for us in the community, but also for...
Thank you very much. Picture question. Your judge, who will ask you a question.
Ang hirap din naman.
Judge number 1.
Hirap din yung mga tanong pag nandiyan ka sa posisyon nila. Nakakaaba din, nakakamental na.
Hello, kumusta ka?
Okay lang.
Okay. Since okay ka, ito ang tanong ko.
Kaya nga,
How can college students foster unity and collaborative support systems to alleviate academic pressure while maintaining academic excellence? Once again, how can college students foster unity and collaborative support systems to alleviate academic pressure while maintaining academic excellence?
Thank you for the question. As a student leaders, I observe that we should always find people. Let's surround ourselves with people who are positive. As a student leader, I recognize all the things in this life happens for a reason. And with that question, I would answer it na kailangan natin humanap ng mga tao na kaparehas natin ng interes, na kapareho natin ng alituntunin sa buhay, na mayroong purpose na hinahanap. And with that purpose is, in academic figures, is magkakaroon tayo ng mas maayos, mas progressive, mas productivity, and definitely fostering when it comes to academic because we are surrounded by positive people and we can achieve things in the future. Thank you.
Good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening po.
Are you ready? Here's my question. How do you handle criticism or failure and what lesson has it taught you? Again, how do you handle criticism or failure and what lesson has it taught you?
I handle criticism as constructive criticism because I believe that people's comment about me is, I think it as an opinion for me to learn and for me to grow, and that's why I am using that criticism for me to grow as a person. And I believe that in the end of the day, not all opinions matter, and you just have to choose. You just have to pick what's good for you. That's all. Thank you.
wow!
Binibini number 1.
Awards kanina. May mga
Hello, Binibini 1. You stand tall. The smallest face of them all. While I'm the biggest one. Eme lang. Okay, your judge is judge number 1.
Hello, magandang gabi. Kamusta ka? I'm okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ah!
Okay na to. Okay. This is my question. How can a woman best handle body shaming? Once again, how can a woman best handle body shaming?
Well, thank you so much for that wonderful question. So, body shaming is one of our isa sa mga problema ng mga kababaihan ngayon. So, bilang isang babae, kailangan natin tanggapin kung anong meron tayo at huwag natin ikahiya kung ano man ang shape of ng ating katawan dahil ito ay bigay ng Diyos at dapat natin ipagmalaki. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Good evening, Miss. Good evening. You now pick your judge from Jackie's Bowl of Knowledge. Okay, your judge is, Tota na si judge number 3.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening po.
So here's your question. As a student of SIBAPA, what are your insights in incorporating technology advancement like artificial intelligence in running a business? Again, as a student of SIBAPA, what are your insights in incorporating technology advancements like artificial intelligence in running a business?
I believe that using artificial intelligence, nakakatulong ito sa atin as a SIBAPA students kasi it makes our work easier. And also, by using artificial intelligence as a SIBAPA student, this helps the as an sorry okay, as a it helps us and also not just as a student, but it also helps everyone to make our work easier. Yun po, maraming salamat.
Galingan mo, Pin. Ano mo lang po?
Hello, Binibini 3. You now pick the number of your judge.
Nangawit na si Seth.
Let's see who's the lucky judge who will ask you a question. It's a different one. It's judge
Chitikahan na
number
si,
4.
si 6 tsaka si 7. Nagchichikahan na si Jamie Lee tsaka si 7.
How are you?
Abot mo tayong
Here's my question. How can school pageants serve as a platform to preserve and promote local tradition and cultural heritage? In Tagalog, paano maaaring maging plataforma ang mga patimpalak sa paaralan sa pagpapanatili at pagpapalaganap ng mga lokal na tradisyon at pamanang kultura? Thank you for that question. Sa tingin ko po ay makakatulong po ang mga ganong klaseng pageant para sa pag-promote ng ating kultura dahil naishishare natin ito sa mas malaking audience and mas nagagamit po natin ito bilang plataforma dahil kaya-kaya po natin itong ibahagi sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibini 3. A drums that sounds like graduation rites. Okay, here's your microphone. The buzzer beater of them all. You can now pick the number of your judge. Your judge is judge number 5.
Good evening, Binibini number 4. This is my question. What is the biggest challenge facing our country today? Again, what is the biggest challenge facing our country today?
The biggest challenge that our country is facing today, what I've mentioned earlier from my advocacy, is how Filipino vote without even thinking carefully. Because I've seen how poor leadership affects our country. So it is important for us to vote those who is truly credible or who is truly capable and who has the qualities of being a leader, and he is not only or he or she is not only helping few people but also the nation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Baby.
Confident siya ate. Perfect.
Nice smile. How do you feel tonight? Do you feel any pressure right now? Wow, it's Janita San Miguel of the si Bapa Prensu. You can now pick the number of your judge. And your judge is judge number 3.
Hi, good evening. So here's your question. As a student of Sipapa, which would you prefer in the future? A businesswoman or an entrepreneur, and why? Again, as a student of Sipapa, which would you prefer in the future? To be in the future, as a businesswoman or an entrepreneur, and why?
As a student of Sipapa, I prefer to be an entrepreneur because a businesswoman sells while an entrepreneur innovates. I believe that innovation will give us a lot of progress that our nation needed. So that is why more entrepreneurs are needed. Not only in our community but the whole nation as well. Thank you.
Hello, Binibini 6. And now pick the number of your judge. And your judge is judge number 4.
How are you?
Electric fan.
Here's my question. How can school balance creativity and innovation in pageants while maintaining respect for cultural authenticity? Paano mapapanatili ng mga paaralan ang pagbalanse ng pagkamalikhain at inobasyon sa mga patimpalak habang iginagalang ang tunay na diwa ng kultura? This Sibapa Festival preserves the tradition and cultural heritage. This Sibapa Festival influences and advocates us to know about the cultural tradition. I advocate about cultural tradition because if you recognize your culture, you empower your identity. As a student here in Sibapa, the festival dance that they happened earlier seeks a lot of cultural tradition here in our province. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibini 6.
Oh my God, yung favorite ko.
Good evening, Bea. Here's your microphone. And you have no choice but to be asked by judge number 5.
Hi, good evening, Binibini number 7. This is my question. Other than yourself, who should win this pageant? Sa Tagalog, maliban sa sarili mo, sino ang dapat manalo sa pageant na ito?
I think besides from me, everyone are deserving to win the pageant because everyone showcased not only their talents and skills but also their purpose in this pageant, because pageantry like this allows us to fully showcase what we are capable of and our cause. Because true queens and kings don't just wear their crowns, they walk the talk and they lead the change because they are the catalyst for a brighter and more fairer and sustainable world. Thank you so much.
Audience, pwede mo ba makalilang isang sigawan at palakpakan dyan? Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Para po sa inyo to. Ikaw na ang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin.
sabi mo at dahil ano pa ang sabihin nila'y nilago ang mahal maghihintay ako makikiusap kay Badhaya. Tumasigod, babe! Na ika'y hanapin. There are times when sabay na ako, guys, come on! Wish you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I'd be right for you, and I just can't compare you with anything.
may we invite our judge, Miss Renz Kyle de la Cruz.
Jeffrey.
Oh, nag-assist.
Ginoong si Papa 2025, first runner-up. Ginoong si Papa 2025, second first runner-up. Ginoong Julian Baluyot of the Junior Financial Executives.
Oh my God, baka number 5 yung manalo.
And it's now time to reveal the rightful owners of the titles. Ginoong Matinias, Ginoong Maskisig, and Ginoong Sibapa. This year's Ginoong Matinias. To present the award for Ginoong Matinias 2025, we invite our judge, Miss Janessa Diaz.
For me, para mas better kung nakasama ka sa mga runner-up kesa sa mga titles.
Ikaw, best type mo na yun. Okay, sa'yo, okay, miss yun.
Kasi parang yung title, parang consolation.
Ginoong Matinias 2025 is Ginoong Matinias 2025 is Jorwin Bantay of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants.
Ay, may progress.
Shala, may pa-crown pag matimya. Pag may title.
So our remaining candidates is join
Hala,
us
number-
on Century
okay.
Slate.
Shala,
Feeling ko talaga
pumasok.
kayo.
Tatanong tagiliran ko.
Bakit?
And
Gutom na
now,
ako.
Feeling ko may number 5.
our to present the award for our Ginoong Maskisig 2025, may we invite our Ambassador of Goodwill for Culture and the Arts, Mr. Jason Ablao. And to present the award for our Ginoong Sibapa 2025, may we invite our judge, Mr. Jed Amores.
Hala, sino kayo?
The title that I will be reading first is the Ginoong Sibapa 2025. Culture and the Arts, Jason Ablao. Congratulations, 2025 fourth runner-up is Bini JMS Christine J.A. Hipto. For our Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 third runner-up. To present the award for our Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 third runner-up, may we invite once again our judge, Sir John Chris Galano. Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 third runner-up is Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 third runner-up, Bini-Bini Edsel Espanyol of the Public Administration League of Students. Biran of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants.
Ay, yung nalabi ko siya gawin sa kanya.
Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 first runner-up. To present the award for our Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 first runner-up, may we invite the CSBO advisor, Sir John Elviro. Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 first runner-up is Slovenians. Who do you think she is? Our Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 first runner-up is Bini-Bini Jana May Leones of the Public Administration League of Students. To present the award for our Bini-Bini Marilag 2025 is Bini-Bini Marilag 2025 is Bini-Bini Joanna Namata of the Junior Accounting Information System Analyst.
First year ba yun ba?
Presenting the award for our Bini-Bini Marilag is our Ambassador Goodwill for Good Charity, Ms. Marvelyn Mauhay, and the SBO Advisor, Sir Daniel Apostol. That I will be calling first is the Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025. That means the remaining candidate is our Bini-Bini Kinaya 2025. Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025. Who do you think she is? Siba Bringas! Our Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 is Bini-Bini Sibapa 2025 is Bini-Bini
guys, already, anong oras na?
12:40.
Ala, 12:48 na guys at this moment. So kasama ko sa Edge at si friends. So kakatapos na event namin. So paalis na kami guys ng Prim. So grabe, ito na yung pinakamatagal ko na andito.
Buti nga pinayagan kayo.
Sabi ko naman event naman. Siya kasi safe naman dito lang naman sa school. Yun guys. Bye. Sa kami Jollibee pala.